Nelson Mandela once said, "Education is the most powerful weapon for changing the world." May I salute to our school's division superintendent, Mrs. Jenny L. Matibo, Sisupay, Ma'am, to our district supervisor, Mrs. Juby M. Reyes, Ma'am, together with the school heads who are in attendance. To our school head, Mr. Rote E. Villar, Sir, honored guests, dedicated teachers, beloved parents, and fellow graduates, a pleasant morning to all of you. As I stand here today, I am overwhelmed with gratitude. This accomplishment wouldn't be possible without the unwavering support of so many incredible people in my life. Thank you to everyone who has been there for me. The Team Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. It emphasizes that graduation is not only a celebratory milestone, but also a symbol of resilience, agency, and grit of us, Filipino learners, in building a stronger and progressive nation. Young as I am today, I can see that failures and trials should not be the reason for us to say no and never try to do something. Rather, let us make them an inspiration to do better. Today, we show the world that we are ready to take on the next stage of our academic life. Junior high school, all this is possible because of everyone here who helped us, so thank you. On behalf of the graduates of class 2023-2024, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the teachers in LCU G. Alipao Elementary School. Thank you for igniting my curiosity and challenging me to reach my full potential. Your passion for knowledge and guidance have been instrumental in shaping me into the person I am today. Thank you for making these 11 closing exercises possible and memorable to us. I would also like to thank all the parents for your endless support and patience for all of us. There are not enough words to express how thankful we are. I am also taking this opportunity to thank the special people who have made my achievements possible. A great thank you from my heart to my parents for all the immeasurable love, care and time, effort and discipline you are providing and building for me. Without you, Mama and Papa, I could not make with high honor possible. I hope I made you happy today. Daghang salamat, Mama and Papa, sa kanunay nga pagsuporta. I am Michelle Ann O. Ripalbor, with the high honor of LCU G. Alipao Elementary School, living a saying, if you can dream it, you can do it. Thank you once again. Good morning and God bless us all.
Graduates, please stand up. Please raise your right hand and repeat after Poblacion 2 Elementary School, Class 2023-2024. The hereby solemnly pledge to continue our studies in order to become worthy to our parents, to teachers, friends, and country. We also heartily swear to maintain the good name of our school. And we will always be guided by its vision and mission. The good values imparted to us by our teachers, we promise to be loyal to our alma mater, to be of service to earth. So help us God.